Hey YouTube, I want to title this Why Now is the Best Time and the Worst Time to Invest in the Stock Market. I know there's a lot of people out there that do, they have that notion, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for a pullback. We're way too high. We're at all-time highs. And I want to take this illustration right here. What we're looking at is the S&P 500 chart, and there's really no time in the past 10 years where it was a perfect time to start. Well, you could make an argument it was a perfect time to start in 2010. This is from 2009 roughly. This is a basically 10-year chart. But, at this point in 2011, we were at all-time highs. At this point in 2012, we were at all-time highs. At this point in the end of 2012, we were at all-time highs. And again, 2013, all-time highs. Over and over. End of 2013, all-time highs. End of 2014, all-time highs. We had a little sideways consolidation for a number of years there, but then, middle of 2016, all-time highs. Middle of, the entire 2017, all-time highs, all-time highs. Start of 2018, all-time highs. Toward the end of 2018, all-time highs. Then we had a correction. Would you say that point was the time to start investing? But this point is higher than all these points ever. So why would that be the time to start investing when you had all these other all-time highs? You see what I'm saying? And now here we go again. All-time highs. So are you waiting for this again? Because if this were to happen here, we would only be about, what, there in the chart? Which, you can't time the market. Just do it. You don't have to just invest in the S&P 500. I do agree. We're at all-time highs. We could be due for a correction, but if you are a long-term investor, it doesn't matter if you bought at all-time highs, as long as you hold on, because all these points are all-time highs. You go back 10 years and they were, all-time highs. So, you can use if you are uncomfortable with investing in the U.S. stock market, there are alternatives, alternative ETFs that invest in bonds. You're not going to get the return like the regular stock market, but if you don't want this fluctuation of money, there's alternatives. There's funds that have half bonds, half stocks to give you a little bit more stability. There's ETFs that give you 20% stocks, 80% bonds, that will give you a nice steady price appreciation, but it won't give you the massive gains, but your money will be more stable. But if you want to invest in the stock market, every time that someone says don't is probably an opportunity, because if you look at this they probably said, no, don't invest here. No, don't invest there. No, don't invest there. And then you sit here for years and you never invest, and then, you lose out on doubling, tripling your money. So that is what I have for you today. Invest. But I'm going to make another video here that I'm going to suggest some things that you do before you invest. But if you're thinking that all-time highs is the wrong time to invest, you got to think of it differently than that, because throughout the past 10 years we were at all-time highs almost every year. And why wasn't those the best time to invest? Anyway, comments, questions down below. Use my Amazon link in the description if you are so inclined. I would appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.